Good morning everyone. Happy day, happy smile guys. Guys, ito na naman, may order naman ako. Dalawang extra large, meat lovers, tsaka cheese lang yan. Order for delivery for dinner time. Yan siya guys. Ang sarap guys, nag-milk pa yung cheese. Ang daming cheese guys, oh. Magsawa ka sa cheese, yan. Napakasarap ng pizza namin guys. Guys, pag gusto niyo ng masarap na pizza, pag sa simple kayo, visit lang kayo sa address namin yan. Yan. Kung sa Edmonton naman kayo, yan yung address namin guys. Pwede walk-in, pwede kayo tumawag, magpa-delivery. 241 yung pizza namin guys, yan o. Yan. Napakasarap ng pizza namin. Garantisado. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. See you in my next video guys. Bye-bye.